Mary's, and today I'm stealing this package. And we're gonna see what's inside.
No, you're not stealing it. How can you steal it? She bought it for her dad.
No, you. And guys, I have one question. Why does he want this shoe? Comment down below.
It's for running.
No.
For gym.
It's so thin. Look at it, guys. It's this thin. Can his feet even
Show
fit
me.
in there?
Can you show? No, that's.
No, because this is like that, so it's this thin.
Okay, show me.
Look at it. Look, guys. Look at it. It's so thin. It's so thin.
That's just the sole. What's the other one?
Wait! Shoe has soles? Oh my god! Ah!
Reese. Oh my god, this girl doesn't know what a sole means.
Sole! The shoe is alive, you know.
Guys, this is
There's a
our
sole there.
Father's Day
Feet will
gift
control.
for Tatay.
The feet will control that.
It's very light.
It has a sole.
He actually chose this one.
No, I chose that.
There's another one.
No, I chose it, Mom.
So we
I chose
bought
it.
two. And the other one,
Cat scratch.
she's
cat
already
scratch.
already wearing it. Baby, no. Can you not
Here it is, my
ruin my
phone
car?
case. And it comes with a pop socket or pop grid. And then there's this unicorn keychain where you can hang it, but you can also remove it. And I just got this yesterday.
This shoes is
Best thing
very
I
light.
got. And if you're wondering why my phone is not if you're wondering why my phone is not here, it's because someone's repairing it. My phone.
Because she broke it
again.
again.
I don't have the thing.
How many times did you broke it?
3.
Oh
This is
my.
the 3rd time.
Oh, and she's so proud of it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so proud of it.
How much is it to change the screen?
2 dirhams. So.
What 2 dirhams? Of course not. This
So
girl.
that means it's 6 dirhams we spent. It's so cheap.
So who looks better? Reese or the shoe? Put this back in the box,
This is the
please.
shoe.
Okay, let's show your case. This came from we ordered it.
Korea.
No, in the Philippines. I ordered it.
No, Korea.
Philippines, and then
Ah!
Tita AP bought it in Korea, and then she gave it to Tita Casey, and Tita Casey,
Give it to me.
yeah, brought it back here in Dubai. Oh my gosh,
I don't understand.
I like this one.
This lady makes nonsense. And this is a popsicle. I like my unicorn.
We're still in the car because we're waiting for her
And
phone.
here I gave my mom this. It's so cute. It's her charm. Lucky
so
charm.
let's do what's in my
This
car.
is me. Okay.
What's in
here.
my car? So
This
there's a
is
shoe.
my sock,
That's the socks.
and I'm gonna wear it.
No, put the shoe back on the box. Tatay will get angry.
Doesn't matter. Let's see if this shoe actually fits me. What, guys? Look. See, I told you this is so thin. Okay, let's
Hey,
try it.
put it back in the box, please.
I almost fell. You see? Look, I can wear this shoe even though Look, I have so big feet. Oh my god! Look how big it is compared to my feet.
Of course.
It's this big. My feet is just this big.
Put it back in the box, please. And show me what else do you have in your car. Put it back in the box
Okay.
properly.
So I have myself and mommy and my unicorn bag. Please don't check what's inside, please. No!
Oh, and this is her unicorn shoe as
Yeah,
well.
it's my favorite shoe in the whole wide world.
And she's also wearing
And
a unicorn shirt
And the unicorn.
and the unicorn phone case.
Wait, I forgot my necklace!
Oh my god, this girl.
I love my unicorn necklace. I cannot leave.
We also have our Dubai Parks and Resort ID cards here for
Yeah, Legoland.
Legoland, Motion Gate.
Okay, can you go to No,
It's too hot. It's
I knew
summer.
it. That's what you will say. Let's see where we're gonna go. Okay, let's see, guys.
Okay, let's do what's inside my bag.
God.
Let's do what's inside my bag, baby. So she has
this thing.
oh my god, 3 keychains, a cat, a unicorn sanitizer, R for Reese. This is from Smiggles. Let's see. Hey, that's my food.
Where's my slime?
It's here in your bag.
No, I mean the other slime. I thought that was nothing.
Oh my god, look at this mess. I don't know what this is, but it's in her bag.
Oh, that's my favorite. Hey, I was looking for the glitter for my slime and now I wasted it.
So this is from Hair Doorables.
Doesn't matter. That to me.
And she has a slime there. There. It's actually a slime. Reese, do not open it! Ay, ang kulit. Look at this girl. Super kulit.
I'm so excited! What's inside? Show this to them.
It's a scratch map. We're gonna scratch
And where is
the
my...
16 countries we've visited.
Wait, 16?
18 for me. Put it back. We'll do it later. Come on, show me what's inside your bag.
Okay, I'll show
A
it.
unicorn bow.
I'll show it, not you.
A unicorn, whatever this is. Oh, a headband or something.
No, it's not a headband or something.
What did you do in front of the
Nothing.
car?
And some gonna eat. Just nonsense. And I'm gonna put this stuff here so I can make it like this. And then, guys, I have this. Oh, I love this.
No need to open and let's see what's here.
No, I need to open this, guys.
Ew. It's actually a...
Llama snot.
And she has
Want to
this
eat it, guys?
trash
Llama
in her car.
No, it's not trash.
There's a unicorn stickers.
Unicorn stickers.
Because she loves unicorn.
Yes.
There's... What is this?
Atinis gave it to me. It's for Gacha Life codes.
Okay, it's their
Gacha Life
code.
codes to get 1,000,000 gems.
Oh, this is the packet. I mean the puzzle that came
And the
always.
unicorn cut.
A fish puzzle from Cane's.
I don't know.
A letter.
No, this is not a letter.
What is
This
it?
is all my favorite stuff.
Oh,
This
so
is
we
all.
have the
This is my
LOLs.
favorite LOLs, guys.
and
this is
origami. What?
She can fly. Look, look. Oh, sorry, unicorn.
What
cat.
else? She has her pink sunglass.
And guys, look what's this is.
She
from,
has a lotus.
This is from LOL Biggie Pets. This is from LOL Biggie Pets, guys. Look, wait, I'm gonna show them.
Okay. Nice. And she has this teeny tiny.
Stop. It's from Claire's.
What do you call this? Nail
Oh,
polish.
there it is. I have
Focus.
2 llama snots.
Yeah. It's
And
from
1
Claire's.
llama snot broke out the. Ew. I thought this was a
is cute.
spider. I have another llama snot, which I'm gonna make.
Can you be careful in the car, please?
And I'm gonna snot here.
She has a squishy.
Look, Mommy, look. Wow.
No.
Hey, that's my squishy.
Cutie squishy.
Hey, you're throwing it!
And she has a scungy
Stop. What is a scungy?
here for the
Oh.
hair.
Yeah.
And she has this funny looking.
No, no,
Lock.
no, no. It's my unicorn.
It's not a unicorn.
Yes, it is.
Oh,
you
and
see
she has this pretty little unicorn strawberry lip balm, which we bought in
Takashi.
Germany or Amsterdam?
Amsterdam.
Amsterdam, yeah.
No. Yes, Amsterdam.
And she has this Pick Me Pop,
Yeah. It's my
and
spider pick me.
she has another unicorn stuff inside, a bracelet.
And it turns into a unicorn. Too.
This is the twisty. No,
Yes, twisty pet.
is it?
Yes.
So
Is
cute.
it?
And she has a. She made a squishy out of a balloon and some flour inside, right?
Yeah. Flower.
And she has another keychain that says star.
Star. Yes, of course.
And she has another keychain,
Another
LOL mini notebook. I mean notepad. And there's a drawing that says cat.
Wait, cat?
Yeah, there.
Oh, yeah.
What is that? And
Draw the cat, aren't you
a
so
tissue, a
glad?
pack of glitters,
Yes, of course. That's for my slime. But
a magic key.
It's actually for my slime, the pack of glitters, but I never
This
used
key is for
it.
her secret castle.
And look, this unicorn is cute because there's a little rainbow and a little ice cream. I saw Coyote.
And what is this?
Coyote.
A letter.
Let's
see.
Letter.
Look at all the mess in your bag. Oh my gosh.
It's not mess.
Then what are those?
It's my favorite.
This says Happy Eid, my other BFF and me.
Happy Eid, my other BFF. That's at uni, so that's me.
Okay. So that's it. What's inside her unicorn? That's her
How about the
unicorn
frog?
bag.
Don't you know?
Oh yeah. Okay, open it.
Hey!
Open it. What's inside?
First, I need to put this.
Yeah. What about in front? Do you still have something in front? Yes, I do. Show me. Don't leave any mess in the car, please. Bring it back home and then put it in the bin. Even this. Thank you. Come on. Hey, that is not a bin, please. Clean that
A bin? Yes. Okay, here is
Oh,
my.
those are her LOL cards.
Yeah, I collect LOL cards and LOL dolls. LOL is my favorite.
More than the unicorn?
No, unicorn 100%, LOL 100% also.
Why is it getting dark? I don't know.
I don't know. And on Christmas, I'm wishing to have a. What?
Puppy. Puppy LOL? Sure.
Puppy LOL? No, a real
look
one.
at her hair. Is that how you fix it? Okay, bye guys.
No, I haven't.
The phone is almost there. Almost
No.
ready.
So guys, look.
Wait, bye.
I can do any of these.
Yeah, we'll guess it on
No, no,
another
no.
video. Okay?
No.